Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about your tongue, what your tongue can show about your health, and why it's important, and what you can do about it if you notice these things on your tongue. So, um, typically, most people, if they have issues with their health or issues with their tongue too, they have what's called white tongue. It's like a white coating on their tongue that can be scraped off, but it reappears on a regular basis, and that can signify several different things. It can signify things like dehydration, poor oral hygiene, illness or infection, dry mouth, fever, reaction to certain medications, including antibiotics or steroids, candida yeast infection or oral thrush, smoking or tobacco use that's excessive, that's a lot, alcohol use, spicy foods such as habanero and jalapeno peppers, congenital heart disease in adults, and strep throat. That's another one. It can also indicate syphilis, periodontal disease, oral lichen planus, HIV, AIDS, leukoplakia, or geographic tongue. So, of course, all these other things should be followed up. If you suspect any of these things, all these other things should be followed up with some tests, and there's specific tests for each one of these things. But anyway, that's just a basic indicator that something may be wrong with your health. So, what are some things you can do if you have white tongue, besides get some extra tests done if you suspect one of these things I've just mentioned? Well, you can use probiotics, and these help balance the bacteria in your gut and also in your mouth, and treat health conditions related to candida infections. So that's one thing. Baking soda is another thing you can use. It exfoliates your tongue, and it removes any residue that causes white tongue, and maintains good pH levels inside the mouth by neutralizing excessive acids there. Coconut oil pulling is also good for removing bacteria from the mouth. It sucks the debris and toxins out of your mouth and creates a clean antiseptic oral environment, and you can just do that by swishing it around in your mouth for 10 to 12 minutes at a time. Sea salt is great too. It eliminates bacteria and also debris that causes white tongue. Its coarse texture kind of has a scrubbing action and an exfoliating action to get rid of the white coating on the tongue. Aloe vera juice is also good. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. And swishing that around contains enzymes that help remove dead cells and promote the regeneration of good skin tissue, new skin tissue. Colloidal silver is another thing you can use. It destroys disease-causing pathogens, reduces inflammation, and boosts cell recovery and replacement. Garlic is good too. The allicin in garlic demonstrates anti-candidal effects and also treats fungal infections, yeast infections in the mouth, things like that. Oregano oil has powerful antifungal activity against candida and oral thrush as well, and it's basically a natural antibiotic. Palo d'Arco tea kills candida overgrowth in the mouth naturally as well. Tongue scraping and just basic good oral hygiene is also important. Brush your teeth and floss them on a regular basis, and scrape the tongue, and that removes the bacteria, debris, and dead skin cells from your tongue. And as always, a well-functioning nervous system is paramount and extremely important to keeping your oral hygiene and every system in your body functioning properly, because we live our lives through the nervous system. So if you haven't gotten checked chiropractically, do so. Now's the best time to do that, and make sure you're getting regular adjustments. You can check us out at newhopechiropractic.com, where you can also make an appointment to come see us. And with that, I hope you have a healthy day.